When most people think about fighter jets, their minds immediately go to the sleek airframes, the roaring engines, or the dramatic maneuvers in the sky. But what often goes unnoticed is the incredible logistics and engineering that make these jets lethal. One of the most fascinating examples is how massive 20mm ammunition is loaded into these machines, particularly using systems like the Universal Ammunition Loading System, or UALS. It might not sound glamorous at first, but the process of getting hundreds of rounds of high-velocity ammunition from the ground into a jet's internal gun is one of the most critical parts of preparing an aircraft for combat. Without it, the jet is just a very fast, very expensive aircraft with no close-range teeth, and the way this is done tells us a lot about precision engineering, safety, and the realities of modern air warfare. The 20mm caliber is one of the most widely used ammunition types for fighter jets. It strikes a balance between size, weight, and destructive power. It's small enough to allow hundreds of rounds to be carried, but large enough to deliver devastating impact on enemy aircraft or ground targets. Most Western fighter jets, like the F-16 Fighting Falcon or the F-18 Hornet, are equipped with an internal 20mm cannon, usually the M61 Vulcan. This is a 6-barrel rotary cannon capable of firing at an incredible rate, often more than 6,000 rounds per minute. At that speed, ammunition disappears almost as quickly as it's loaded. That's where the Universal Ammunition Loader comes in, ensuring that these guns are fed with the hundreds of rounds they need in a safe and efficient manner. On the ground, the UALS is essentially a sophisticated cartridge belt loader and imagine a large, robust container mounted on wheels that can be moved right up to the aircraft. This container is not just a box. It has a highly engineered system that can hold over 1,500 rounds of linked 20mm ammunition and feed it directly into the aircraft's gun system through a flexible interface. The beauty of the UALS is in its universality. Instead of designing a new loader for each jet, it is adaptable to different platforms that use the same gun system, particularly the M61 Vulcan. That's why it's called Universal. It works across different aircraft types, saving time, training, and cost. Loading 20mm ammo into a fighter jet is not as simple as pouring bullets into a box. The rounds are heavy, and the linked belts can become tangled or misaligned. The M61 Vulcan relies on precise feeding. Even a single jam could mean the difference between life and death in a dogfight. The UALS is designed to prevent this by carefully guiding each linked round through a flexible chute into the ammunition drum inside the aircraft. It has mechanisms that ensure the rounds stay in the correct orientation and alignments. Think of it like a giant zipper machine, constantly making sure that each tooth lines up properly. One of the most impressive aspects of the UALs is how it handles both loading and unloading. After a mission, jets return with unused ammunition and empty casings. Without a proper system, ground crews would have to manually separate and handle every spent casing and live round, which is not only time-consuming, but also potentially dangerous. The UALS solves this by being a two-way conveyor. It can extract unused rounds and spent links from the jet just as efficiently as it loads them. Everything is captured back into the loader's container, keeping the flight line clean and reducing hazards. It's like having a vacuum system that can both deliver and recover, ensuring that nothing is left loose on the ground. The performance aspect of the UALS is all about speed and efficiency. In the fast-paced world of air operations, jets need to be turned around quickly. Time spent on the ground is time lost in the air, and in a real combat scenario that could be critical. The Universal Ammunition Loader can transfer rounds at a rate of up to 300 rounds per minute, which means a full load of over 1,000 rounds can be transferred in just a few minutes. Compare that to manual handling, and the advantage is obvious. Ground crews can prepare multiple jets in quick succession, keeping the entire squadron. Design elements of the UALS reflect its mission. It's rugged, built from strong metals to withstand constant use on flight lines all over the world. The container itself is sealed to protect the ammunition from dust, dirt, and moisture. Wheels and handles are built into the system to make it mobile, so crews can move it right up to the aircraft and connect the chute without difficulty. The internal mechanisms are powered, allowing rounds to be advanced smoothly without requiring muscle power from the operators. Every element is designed for safety too. There are safeguards against accidental discharge, mechanisms to prevent overloading, and locks to keep everything secure when not in use. Another feature that makes the UALS special is its modularity. It's not a single fixed box, but a system that can be broken down into modules for easier transport and maintenance. For example, the ammunition can be preloaded into containers away from the flight line, and then those containers can be swapped into the loader. When it is time to service the aircraft, this reduces time spent refilling and allows for more flexible operations. It's also easier to maintain because if one part fails, it can be swapped out rather than taking the whole system offline. From the perspective of ground crews, the UALS is a game. Working on the flight line is physically demanding, and before systems like this, crews had to manhandle heavy belts of ammo, often in harsh weather conditions. The universal ammunition loader reduces strain, speeds up the process, and lowers the risk of accidents. Think about it. Each 20mm round weighs about 1/4 kilogram. Multiply that by 1,500, and you've got several hundred kilograms of ammunition that needs to be handled. Doing that manually would be exhausting, not to mention prone to errors. With the UALS, the system does the heavy lifting, while the crew supervises and ensures everything runs smoothly. From a layman's perspective, watching one of these loaders in action is almost mesmerizing. You see this massive drum feeding a long snake of linked rounds up into the belly of a jet, the metallic clink of each cartridge sliding into place, the steady hum of the mechanism, and the sense that this is the final step before the jet becomes a weapon of war. It's not as dramatic as seeing the jet roar into the sky, but it's just as important. Without this system, the guns would stay silent. The universal ammunition loader also has unique selling points when compared to alternatives. First is its adaptability, because it's universal. One system can service multiple aircraft types, from F-16s to F-15s to F-A-18s, as long as they use the Vulcan cannon. This saves money and simplifies training for crews. Instead of learning a different procedure for every aircraft, they can master one system and apply it across the board. Second is its efficiency in both directions. Many loaders can only push ammo in, but the UALS pushes and pulls, loading and unloading with equal ease. This makes it a complete cycle system rather than just a one-way tool. Third is its reliability. Designed for military standards, it can operate in extreme conditions, whether it's the heat of the desert or the cold of northern climates. Technically, the UALS interfaces with the aircraft's gun drum through a flexible conveyor system. The M61 Vulcan gun typically sits inside the aircraft's fuselage, connected to a drum that stores ammunition in a helical pattern. The loader aligns with this system and uses a powered feed mechanism to synchronize the movement of rounds into the drum. This synchronization is critical because the gun system is designed to cycle rounds at very high speeds, and even a small misalignment could cause catastrophic jamming. Engineers had to design the loader with tolerances tight enough to ensure that rounds enter perfectly every time. Another fascinating detail is how the system separates and manages spent casings. The M61 Vulcan uses a linkless feed system, which means it recycles cartridges within the drum instead of ejecting them overboard. This prevents jets from spraying casings out midair, which could damage the aircraft or others nearby. The UALS has to work with this linkless system, retrieving unused rounds and empty cases separately and organizing them back into its own containers. This closed-loop design keeps everything tidy and safe. There's also an economic angle to this system. By recovering unused ammunition efficiently, the UALS reduces waste. Live rounds are expensive, and losing or mishandling them is a costly mistake. The loader ensures that every round is accounted for, whether it's fired in combat or returned for future use. For militaries managing tight budgets, this kind of accountability is essential. From an engineering standpoint, the universal ammunition loader represents a triumph of practical fighter jets are glamorous, but they're also high-maintenance machines that require constant support. A jet with no ammunition is like a car with no gas. It might look good, but it's not going anywhere meaningful. The UALS ensures that jets are armed and ready with maximum efficiency and minimum downtime. If you look at the bigger picture, systems like this highlight how modern warfare is as much about logistics as it is about technology. A fighter jet is only as effective as the system that supports it. You can have the fastest jet in the world, but if it takes hours to reload its gun, it loses its advantage. Conversely, a well-supported jet can launch, fire, return, reload, and be back in the air in record time. Overwhelming adversaries with sheer persistence. The UALS is a quiet but crucial part of that cycle. It is also worth noting that the universal ammunition loader is not only used by the United States, but also by allied nations operating American-made jets. This means the system has become a standard across multiple air forces, ensuring compatibility and cooperation. Whether in training exercises or joint operations, this shared system makes it easier to work together. Even the visuals of 20mm ammunition being loaded are striking. The rounds themselves are usually a mix of different types: high-explosive incendiary rounds, armor-piercing rounds, and training rounds, often color-coded to indicate their purpose. When you see belts of these rounds sliding into a jet, you realize the sheer firepower being prepared. Each individual round might look small compared to a missile, but when fired in rapid succession at thousands per minute, the effect is devastating. This is the real machine gun of the sky, and the UALS is the hand that feeds it.